am using plastic sheet. I am made it with PVC pipe. You can make this sheet by applying some heat on it through gas burner or hot air gun. I have drawn a 40 cm line here. This one is 12 cm. Now our sheet ready to be cut. It is a bit difficult to cut, but with a scissor only we can cut our sheet without using any machine. So here we cut out all the pieces. Also we cut the sheet for side and the dimension is on your screen. Using sandpaper I am rubbing all the plastic sheets so that all the sharp corners are flat. Now our all pieces have been rubbed and cleaned. Here I am marking the cutting points for switch, LED and the charging points. Now we are ready to join all parts together. Our box is ready. Now we will install all components. Here I am soldering wire in a switch. Remember, this project needs high ampere current, so we need a good quality wire. Now we are installing switch here. Here we install 3 indication LEDs. For controlling our machine we need printed circuit board. So I start designing PCB and ordered from All PCB. All PCB is one of the most popular PCB manufacturer in world. They provide good quality PCB in just few dollars. If you have any PCB project, you can try out their service. They are more happy to work on your project. Check out the site guys, link in description. Within few days I received my PCB and the packaging quality is superb. There is no risk of damage during shipment. Now we are installing all components in PCB. You can find component details and buying link in description. Here I made a PCB holder using PVC sheet. Using this holder we can take out our PCB if we need to replace any failure component. So here is our nichrome wire. Using multimeter we will find the right ampere to glow the element. Our element need high ampere current, so we are using a 1 mm wire here. So this is a 12 volt DC fan and this was a PVC plastic. We are making a cap with it. Here we are installing 5 mm RBG LED in our cap. Now we are installing wire for LEDs and fan. Our cap is ready. So this is a clay pot, you can buy it from market under 60 to 80 rupees. Here we are making hole for wire. Now we are installing wire in a clay pot. Using super glue we will fix all wire here. Now we are installing wire into the control box. So this is a 12-volt battery. I recommend to use 2 or 3 more pair of battery. Single battery not run as much. All connection is completed now, and I also fixed this PVC piece here. Now we are ready to pack our control box and tight all screw. So this is a piece of PVC pipe. We will use it to stable our clay pot. Now we fix the pot above the plastic pipe. So here is our machine, and I also pasted this stand off here. So this is a piece of PVC pipe and we will stick it up inside of fan. Here is our machine look. It was looking very simple, so we are doing paint on it. Also we replace our cap. First one was broke down while opening. This cap has more LED and it was better than first one. So here is our machine control. First one is for system on, second one is for fire, and the last one is for LED. If we down toggle switch, then the machine goes into direct mode. This light indicates battery charging, and with the second jack we will run our machine with direct DC supply. Here you can see the element was glow up. Now we are testing the machine. We need 1 liter water. To heat water quickly, we will run our machine in direct mode. Within 10 minutes, water was heated up. Here is the dry ice. I bought 10 kg dry ice in 300 rupees. Do not touch dry ice for long period with your hand. That was it for today's guys. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe our channel.